What's going on, folks? Zeek here with another banger of a video, and I know I haven't said that in a very long time. I've been getting busy on Instagram lately with everything that kind of happened. I don't know, I kind of fell into building hellhounds religiously. Units are still going out. We got resin prints now for the 2.8 cases. Yeah, it's been busy, and I am so sorry that I have been neglecting my YouTube audience, but I am happy to be back, especially with an amazing video for you guys. You guys really enjoyed my Raspyjack video, and I know that I haven't made another video in regards to the update, the huge update that happened not too long ago. But not only that, I am happy to announce the sponsor of today's video, and that is Tron. So he did change the name to Ox or Orvex, but Tron did send his new design for the Raspyjack case, and I'm super stoked to be sharing it with you guys. If you guys don't know who that is, Tron actually is well known in the community for his designs for add-on boards for the Flipper platform, specifically for Rabbit Labs. Aside from that, let's go ahead and get to the desk, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're working with. All right, so this is coming from across the pond. Shipping was quick, not gonna lie. The Royal Post is really quick about it. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. And wow, that looks awesome. Right off the jump, we've got his new title. You can see Tron right there. All right, and then we have, this one's custom. So here's the case. It's got the internals inside, but check this out. Boom! We got a Zeek Sec Labs exclusive. All right, and then the other thing in the case is the Velcro carabiner. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. All right, so here's the case. I think it looks amazing. And then with the attachment, you can see what we're going for. Very stealthy, especially with the 18650 Pi Zero hat. All right, so here at the drop-down camera, we have what we need to fill out our case. So first off, we're going to be using the Raspberry Pi Zero 18650 hat, and this is made by Scene Great. Aside from that, we have our 18650 battery. We've got our micro SD card from our original build. We are going to be pairing it with a bolt and dart antenna for that tri-band activity. With a Alfa wireless USB adapter. We also have our Stemedu GPS USB dongle, and we also have our Raspberry Pi 2W with the headers soldered on, and this is from our original build. And then we also have the same display. All right, so to kick things off, looking at your case, so with this to the left, and these two slots here on the side, that's going to be your bottom, and then this is going to be your top. And you can tell because the IO ports are on the top. So your case is going to rest on the inside like so, and you're going to want to make sure you remove the 4 standoffs for your Pi hat before installing this, and then you're going to leave these standoffs in for your Pi Zero to rest on. All right, and just like that, our Pi Zero and Pi 18650 hat is installed to our case. We are nearly there. All we have is our display. Alright folks, Future Zeek here, and I spent an entire day after editing that video trying to get these dongles to work. I did all the copy and pasting. I asked ChatGPT all the questions. I religiously
dug through every question asked about these alpha adapters in the Evil M5 help channel for the Raspyjack, and I was burnt, dude. I almost gave up, and I went back to Amazon. Come to find out, there is a toggle switch, but what yours is going to say is USB or 5-volt power, and you want to make sure that it is on USB. These guys will light right up. Thank me later. I believe just installing Raspyjack should give you the necessary drivers. If not, if you search for taco script in the help section of the Evil M5 Raspyjack help section, if you have any troubles beyond this point, go ahead and run that script in terminal and see if that helps out. I just want to help you guys out and not spend all day finding the solution. But there you have it, free chicken. Let's get back to the video.
I am really upset that my battery is too big, but I'm pretty sure we can hunt one down. But there you have it, folks. This is the Tron Raspyjack case, and it is very nifty. But yeah, I think it looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Tron, if you're watching this, brother, thank you so much for supporting the channel and creating this amazing design. If you guys are interested, I will go ahead and link the website for you to purchase. So many different colorways. I think he knocked it out of the park. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I cannot wait to add this to my EDC. Appreciate you, Tron. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.